Talk about what you think is happening versus what he should be doing right now.
Well, a couple days ago, I said he's got to reprice this thing, and he's probably going to do something like this, walk away or do something. And I got a lot of response because I said Twitter was going to be in the Mariana Trench of other tech stocks, if not for this deal. So he was going to pay too much for it, and he doesn't want to pay too much for it, given the declines in value of not just all of tech, but Tesla also. And so I think he's trying to look for a better price. The bots thing, whatever. Everybody knows there's bots all over Twitter and all over social media. I think the issue is he's negotiating a better price. And if he can't get it, I guess he'll walk away and take the $1 billion walkout. If he's smart, he should do that and then come back later when the stock stays in the doldrums, which is where a lot of stocks are, especially Twitter will be there.
So come back later and do what? You mean buy on the open market at a lower price?
No, he can only go. They have the poison pill in place, so that you'd have to get to 15%. But try to make another offer then, when the stock is cheaper. Why would you pay $54.20 at this moment? Wall Street already had it $10 below that. Now it's dropping more. It should be even further, given how much value other stocks. I mean, look, Netflix is off 75%. Great businesses like Airbnb are off 30%. That turned in great earnings. And so why not get it at the lower price? And so he's going to jam them, I guess, and then try to look like a hero buying it at $15 billion rather than 44 or some other price that's not. But that sets off a whole range of things, including other people wanting. That's a pretty cheap price for Twitter. So we'll see what happens. It's going to set off. It's chaos. Like I said, chaos, Carl.
Kara, it's Morgan.
Brand Musk.
Yeah,
chaos.
well, yeah. And all on Twitter, and of course, in the name of transparency, I would imagine, or at least maybe that's how he would brand it. Yeah,
it's not the price; it's the bots. That's why he's concerned about the bots.
But I am curious about the bots. I am because I mean, it's been an issue on Twitter for forever, right?
Yeah.
I mean, are the bots lucrative to Twitter? Is there a reason that it's been so hard to get rid of them up until this point?
It's hard to get rid of them on all the platforms. This has been a big issue. I've written about it a lot. These issues of a lot of this anger that's fomented is started by bots, and then humans become part of it. I wrote a long story about it. I did a podcast about it, everything else. This is a problem for most of these companies, is that what is really happening? What is the actual use by human beings? That's a big concern to advertisers and others. And so if there's all these fake accounts that are just there for various and sundry reasons, some of them malevolent, it's a problem as a business. It's like having, I'm trying to think of an analog in an analog situation, but it's just fake is what it is. And so that's a real problem. It's like fake subscribers. Again, it's not limited to Twitter. It just is. Twitter's a good place to create all kinds of anger or whatever people want to do. And so it's not good for business to have bots. No, but this is well known. This is not something that's fresh and new, that the penny just dropped for Elon Musk on bots. Maybe he got more information about the problem.
Yeah.
Twitter's tried to combat it, but he wants a lower price. That's what this is all about. I'm sorry. I'm sure he's concerned about bots, but this is about a lower price.